Taurus, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titignan natin what's coming to you in the next 24 hours from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to because this is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So, if you're also interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see, Taurus. What's up? Ano ang energies in the next 24 hours for Taurus? Okay. Oh, okay. There's transformation, Taurus, focusing on yourself. This can be a physical self when it comes to transformation. Pwedeng magkakaroon ka ng ng clarity sa sarili mo na gusto kong maging maayos yung pangangatawan ko, no? Physical self. So some of you pwedeng kayo ay mag-exercise, you will do some fitness work, jogging, running. Mas magiging active kayo. No? You are going to be in your active era. Kasi mas binibigyan nyo na ng panahon yung inyong sarili ngayon. Maaring part ng inyong self-love, self-care. I also see na massive yung transformation na nakikita ko rito. So, in the next 24 hours, you will realize what you need to change. Ano yung kailangan mong baguhin sa sarili mo? Anong kailangan i-improve mo sa sarili mo? Dahil alam mo na meron pang igaganda yan. Meron pang ikaaayos yan. You're going to be better than you were before. Ganyan. Some of you, there is a travel opportunity. You may be traveling with, magta-travel ka kasama yung mga katrabaho mo, business partners mo, for, can be dahil sa work, no? Business travel or a business trip in the next 24 hours. Or pwedeng paplanuhin nyo yung business trip ninyo in the next 24 hours. So there's some sort of movement here. Kung kayo naman ay may loans, no, take out kayo ng loan sa bangko, can be sasakyan or cash or pang funds ninyo sa business ninyo, maaring ito ay i-release na sa inyo. Ayan. There's also something that you need to protect, no? Kailangan mo proteksyonan sa properties mo. So pwedeng ikaw ay maglalagay ng mga security features sa iyong bahay or sa sasakyan mo. Mga extra lock, gate, security system, CCTV. Ayan, yung pwedeng kasi pwede tong ginagawa mo na, gagawin mo pa lang or iniisip mo. Iniisip mo nang gawin. You also have some things that you need to address or kailangan mo asikasuhin related sa family, home life, or sa parents mo, especially your mother. No? Kung ito ay parang humihingi ng tulong sa'yo or needs your assistance. Or meron kang babaguhin sa bahay ninyo, rearrangement ng mga furnitures, or pagbili ng mga bagong furnitures or appliances. So, merong movement pag-aayos. Some of you, meron kayong business sa social media or you are working as a content creator na medyo na-challenge ka or nahihirapan ka na mas mapansin or parang makagain ng attention. Okay? So, this is the time for you na magstay na gawin yan kahit na na-challenge ka, kahit na nahihirapan ka. Kasi tinetest ka lang ng universe kung gaano mo kagusto yung ginagawa mo. Okay? So, kung ngayon ka na magi-give up, eh di paano mo pa malalaman yung magiging resulta niyan kung nag-give up ka na kaagad, 'di ba? So, ilaban mo 'yan. Kasi you'll never know kung andiyan talaga yung success for you. Kasi there's a major transformation coming in. May mangyayaring pagbabago, especially sa physical self mo. Can be your mindset, mas magiging matatag yung pananampalataya mo sa sarili mo, paniniwala mo sa sarili mo, sa kakayanan mo. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Six of Swords. You are moving to a new direction. Umaalis ka sa isang conflict. If conflicted ka ngayon, maaring sa isip mo, conflicted ka, naghahanap ka na ng sagot doon. Maaring nakahanap ka na ng sagot doon. You're also protecting your energies from yung mga mga yung mga toxic people around you, kaya iniiwasan nyo sila. Oh, Five of Swords is your challenge. Yes, Taurus, may mga toxic people around you. That's why you need to protect yourself. You need to protect your sources of income. Maging maingat sa mga ipiniflex mo rin sa social media. Okay? Kasi maaring nakaka-attract ka ng evil eye. Your opportunity, the lovers. So if you're single, pwedeng may opportunity ka for a new relationship. If meron ka naman ng relationship, maaring mas mapapatatag niyo yung connection ng person mo. This can also be a business partnership na papasukin mo in the next 24 hours or iniisip mong gawin. Your blessing is, the Empress, this is your energy. Grabe. Major glow up ang energy ninyo, Taurus. Kaya, ano man tong gusto mong baguhin sa sarili mo, ipagpatuloy mo yan, no? Kung gusto mong palakasin yung sarili mo, pangangatawan mo, ibalik yung alindog mo. So, it doesn't matter kung ano yung gender ninyo, it is about you as a whole, no? As a person. Mas magiging creative ka rin. Marami kang mga talento, skill set na marirealize mo or madidiscover mo. And there's also abundance coming in. That's the blessing for you. So, sa money career, diba? Very charming. Grabe, major glow up talaga. You mesmerize people, Taurus. Maraming nagkakaroon ng interest sa inyo, ng gusto sa inyo. Kaya lang, meron ding mga naiinggit. Kaya maging maingat. Okay? Protect your energy. Protect your assets. Protect yourself. Sa love life, tingnan natin. Karmic. A lot of passion but difficult to maintain. So some of you, if you are in a relationship na medyo stressful, dahil meron kayong lesson na kailangan yung matutunan with this partner, sa partner mo. So kung hanggang saan man marating ng relationship ninyo, be open sa possibilities kasi at the end of the day, kung ano yung best for you, yun yung mapapasayo. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.